Kajingwan jong katamasa may ram au hakajala kalaklalong kakabuk siar ban pen i syakaperthei ya kasap bekerpang jong khasi hakor komsna bat sanar wala kadai kebala judon nadu kapor jong ki mateman batman ki jong ki ya kate kasap sanar jong khasi lapau perthei hakasi pli katamasa may ram au festival kebalong nen kasi haskul ba nihu katkum kji thu do ba Michael Siem ubadei nongelam jong kamat chaprang movement laong ba kate kasi ulara katuk ani kitli kitala balasna da we rang ba nalen kon syakate katamasa ulai thu ru bawat la kita lai lasna ra penungkam da kinar lengkon hanrei bun kinong we ki bawan na kaleng kari ka perthei kil ai ka jiro e ko komsna bat khamtam e ka jing iskam jong kitala uba Michael lai thu ru ba tang ha kate ka jing lei pen inami kitiar bon ki pai ba bawan ki we pat kiri ki pan pau ba ki kwa ban thiet khnang ba kin yo ban ra salasnong kum taw lo ong ba de ban pen ki embiang e ka jisna kitala om man penungkam ban khang tala ya ka yeng hanrei kum ka jing di bu kan mau ne souvenir nak banta ki tu ki bawan na saban.
You're all asking questions that they've never seen such laws. Very unique, and most of the tourists who came to inquire about laws, they said that they've traveled many parts of the world but they've never seen these laws. And the uniqueness of these laws is that they're handmade and they're made from scrap metals. So the person who's making these laws is the third generation who's making the laws. But sadly, this art of making these locks is disappearing, because the people who are making these locks also, they're not making them anymore. I just requested him to please make these locks so that I can showcase and get the reaction, the feedback from people from outside our country. So one of the reasons why this industry is dying out is because they cannot compete with the factory locks, because since they are handmade, so they are quite costly. So that's why when you go to the market now also you can hardly find them. So I decided that this art should not die down. We have to revive it somehow. So I thought of why not revive these locks, not as locks but as tourist souvenirs, tourist mementos. So that's why when I introduced these locks yesterday, I've got a lot of orders, a lot of people, foreigners, want to buy these locks. But I told them, okay, they're just for exhibition only. So maybe if we can revive it, then we can sell them the